digiKam is a powerful open-source photo management application designed for photography enthusiasts and professionals. This package integrates digiKam 8.70, distributed as an AppImage, into MODICIA O.S, delivering a seamless user experience with multilingual support and full integration into the Cinnamon desktop environment. Key features: modern and intuitive interface for organizing large photo collections, advanced tools for tagging, cataloging, searching, and non-destructive editing, native support for RAW formats, IPTC XMP metadata, face recognition and geolocation, multilingual translations for a more inclusive user experience, full integration into the system menu with a customized high-resolution icon and desktop launcher. Package details: installs the AppImage in /opt/digiKam for clean separation and easy updates, multilingual .desktop file for direct access from the menu, high-resolution icon embedded into the system's icon theme, compatible with MODICIA O.S.